Hi everyone. Today I have a home remedy for all your hair problems, that is frizziness, dryness, damaged hair, split ends, dandruff, hair fall and what not. So I have one ingredient that will sort you out with all these hair problems. Yes, that is this raw milk in this spray bottle. So let's see how I use this mask. Firstly, make sure you detangle your hair and make sure you don't have knots before applying this milk. Then make a partition and spray the milk first and then spread it with your fingers like I'm doing here. Apply this mask like you apply your oil. Cover all your hair and of course scalp. So this mask have made my hair a drastic change because I had lot of split ends, and I have been trying this mask for like 4 to 5 months now, and I seriously don't have split ends now. It have definitely reduced my split ends, and yes, it will definitely reduce your hair fall and make your hair look smooth and straight. So once I'm done covering my hair with milk, I'm going to comb my hair and make sure milk is spread evenly, and then I'll be placing my hair in a bun with clutch. So leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your hair with regular shampoo. So I'll be washing my hair and come back super soon. So this is how my hair look after washing it. Now I'll be applying serum. I use this serum on regular basis. So I'm showing you guys same. I'm using this Livon serum. You can use any serum you use. So I'm taking 2 to 3 drops of that and rubbing between my palms. And then I'm applying it first on my ends like so. Then what all is left, I'm going to comb through my upper part. I'm definitely not applying this on my scalp. So this is how it looks, and yes, comb your hair once again. And this is how it looks: soft, smooth, frizz free and healthy. So try this mask for like once in a week and you definitely see good results. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.